From drones that fly themselves to exoskeleton that give you superhuman strength, these gadgets are just as fun as they are useful. Thanks to Viam for sponsoring this video. The Aura Display's Triple Aero adds not one, but 3 new displays to your setup, boosting productivity. All 3 displays connect to your computer using a single USB-C cable, and their orientation can be changed as needed, though according to Tech Radar, the resolution and refresh rate on these are a bit outdated. The LOOPDOT combines 3 different functions into one nifty little package. With 2 light sources, you can switch between the spotlight and floodlight mode with a simple flick gesture, but the real star of the show is the dot matrix display. It can display signs, cool animations, and even let you play a fun game. Additionally, with the right case, you can attach it to your bike to act as a headlight. Not only that, but it also has a cool fidget dial that hits just the right spot with each click. Now, if you're a drone fan, you're really going to like this next gadget. The Hover Air Aqua is a drone specializing in water sports. It's completely waterproof and especially resistant to corrosion from sea salts. But that isn't even its craziest feature. Unlike your average drone, this one can fly on its own, no human input needed. It uses millimeter wave radar to stay a safe distance above water. At the same time, it's tracking you using the wearable control module. The result is an automated camera zipping through the air at speeds exceeding 34 miles per hour, capturing all the actions like a pro. The resulting drone footage is super stable, and if you think that's cool, just check out this other drone from the same company. The Hover Air X1 Pro Max is like a cameraman you can take anywhere with you. It can self-navigate, precisely track the target, and work in any environment. Snow, high altitudes, above water, it can handle them all. But the real magic is in its video quality. The X1 Pro Max can capture 8K footage at 30 FPS. The users also found the compact foldable design of the drone extremely practical. The real functionality of this drone is unlocked with the beacon, which can be used to control it manually. The joysticks allow for extreme precision flights, and once you connect them to your phone, you have a full-on immersive drone interface going on. You know how earbuds are usually just for music and calls? These ones go way beyond that. The Viam Rec Dot look like regular wireless earbuds, but here's the cool part. They can actually record your meetings, lectures, or phone calls. Just tap the side and it starts recording so you don't miss anything important. Later, you'll find the recording ready in the app. The best part is it's not just raw audio. The app gives you a full transcript with a neat summary and even a to-do list from the conversation. So that long 2-hour meeting, it shrinks into a 1-minute recap with clear action points. In group discussions, the app separates each speaker into a new paragraph, so it's much easier to read. And if the conversation's in another language, no more nodding politely without a clue. The earbuds translate in real time across 21 languages, basically like live subtitles. While someone's talking, you see the words appear on your phone in your own language. The app can also transcribe and translate videos, podcasts, and online courses in real time. So no more manual note-taking, AI does it for you. If you're at an in-person lecture or conference, you don't even need to wear the earbuds. You can simply open the case with the earbuds inside and hit the red button. Recording starts instantly and you won't miss a thing. All the captured material is then stored in the app for later review. And of course, they still work as everyday earbuds. You get clear sound for music, plus active noise cancellation that cuts down background distractions. You can connect them to 2 devices at once, like your phone and laptop, without switching manually. The earbuds last up to 9 hours on a single charge and up to 36 hours with the case. And yes, you can charge them wirelessly. I've left the link to Viam Rec Dot in the description below. Here's a phone that works without a SIM. The Mind 1 Pro is super compact, like half the size of a normal smartphone, and it utilizes a technology called NovaLink, which allows it to access the internet for free without needing a SIM. Now, this only works for certain AI applications, but it's a godsend for travel junkies who won't have to deal with SIM problems when traveling to another country. Another big plus is the case extension you can buy that adds a physical keyboard and an extra battery. It's a dream come true for BlackBerry fans. The only real downside of this phone is the smaller screen area. But if you're willing to put up with that, and Mind 1 certainly brings a lot to the table. Like the powerful Sony 50-megapixel camera that can be flipped to face either direction. This gadget can be a lifesaver for tech repairs and art projects, The Snap Block by Hodo is a compact toolbox made for tinkering with electronics. It consists of 3 sections: a screwdriver set with modular heads, an electric rotary toolkit for cleaning and sanding, and a drill kit to drill holes. It's a complete workshop in one. Some users did find these tools lacking a bit in power, but then again, these are for minor tech repair, not for heavy-duty use. Moving on to the highlight of this kit, which is its magnetic snap design. These sections connect to each other with a satisfying click, making storage and usage so much more convenient. Speaking of convenience, check out this next gadget. The EcoFlow Trail Series is an outdoor essential for all the good reasons. With its powerful 60,000 mAh battery, it can keep all your devices charged even on long trips. Plus, it's highly compatible so you can use it directly with your phone or laptop. But what the users like the most about it is its portability. Plus, it's drop resistant so it can survive some rough handling. This device can be a lifesaver quite literally. And if you think that's useful, this next gadget takes it to another level. Meet the Olight O-Station 2, a gadget that will save you more money than you realize. This all-in-one battery charging hub doubles as a battery health monitoring station. Additionally, it features polarity management, so you don't have to worry about which way your batteries are facing when you insert them. However, users have pointed out that O-Station 2 doesn't support lithium-ion batteries from other brands, which is a bummer. The Hypershell X is something right out of a sci-fi movie. This is no fashion statement, rather it's an exoskeleton designed to add some extra force behind your steps. With a maximum output of half a horsepower, it allows you to walk for longer without getting tired. Not only that, but it learns your gait and mimics it to feel more comfortable. At the same time, some users complain about it being too heavy, so it's a hit or miss with comfort. Still, there's no denying it's a useful tool for outdoor ventures. Speaking of outdoor fun, this next gadget's a great help on any camping trip. The Lovork multifunctional gadget has all the tools needed to make your camping trips way more fun. It has 3 lighting modes, including spotlight, floodlight, and ambient light. It also comes with a fan attachment to keep you cool. This nifty gadget also doubles as a Bluetooth speaker, an air pump, a power bank, and a mosquito repellent, but some users have raised concerns about the device not coming with mosquito repellent mats. Next up's another awesome multi-tool that's great for camping. The Stakeout Spark is a convenient 10-in-1 solution that comes in handy during outdoor adventures. It features 2 kinds of pliers, tent stake pullers, a small saw, and a fire starter. Users like the blade the most as it holds its edge and is quite sharp right out of the box. While this gadget takes care of a lot of camping essentials, this next one focuses on one very important task. The Life Straw Escape can save your life, quite literally. It utilizes a 3-stage filtration system to purify water, killing viruses and bacteria while also clearing out dirt. The high-volume output of this gadget is what impressed users the most. This thing is so efficient that it can easily output 1 liter of water per minute. And since it's all manually driven, there's no need for electricity or generators. That's super convenient, just like this next essential outdoor gadget. The Bluetooth hands-free has so many hidden features that you might miss at first glance. This backpack is specifically designed for photographers. There are dedicated compartments to keep your camera gear safe and sound, but the best features hide within. The backpack comes with a huge power bank that can be used to charge your phone and cameras for non-stop shooting. One downside that users mention is the increased weight because of the bulky power bank, which can be a hassle. Up next is a tool that should always be a part of your camping kit. Nitecore EMR25 acts like a shield that protects against critters and insects. It utilizes repellent mats to drive away mosquitoes, while the ultrasonic speakers prevent mice, snakes, and cockroaches from coming close. Both of these features, as users have pointed out, work pretty effectively. You can also use its battery as a backup power bank with fast charging enabled. Now get ready, because this next gadget's going to change how you drink coffee. Who knew a coffee machine could be turned into this? The Wakako Pixespresso is a device that lets you make coffee on the go. And not just one kind of coffee, this machine can handle 4 different coffee types. On top of that, it's fully battery powered, so even if you're out there camping, this device will get you a hot cup of morning coffee. Plus, the users cannot stop gushing about how good an espresso this thing can make. Just like e-bikers cannot stop gushing about this next product. This sci-fi looking bike is very much real and even more fun to ride than you would expect. Infinite Machine Ulto is built for city life as it's completely legal. Plus, its 40-mile range means it won't require a charge as often. The Ulto is also made with a focus on security, featuring several types of locks and tracking features to prevent theft. Plus, it can be equipped with tons of accessories like a phone holder and hooks for hanging stuff. While this e-bike turns your travel futuristic, this next gadget will modernize your home. The SwitchBot Hub 3 is super useful for turning your smart home even smarter. It's like a central control system that helps you manage all the smart devices in your home, whether it be smart lights, TVs, humidity sensors, or temperature controls. The one downside is that setting it up can be quite frustrating for new users, though if you can get over that hurdle, it's a pretty solid choice for smart home management. Now that's impressive, but this next gadget's even more fun to use. The Xtool M1 Ultra is like a printer, but on steroids, packing more functions than seem possible. It works as an inkjet printer, but it can also do laser engraving, vinyl cutting, and pen drawing. To switch between each function, you just have to pop in the correct module, which can be done in just 3 seconds. Users especially like the easy setup of the M1 Ultra as it comes working right out of the box. Overall, it's a very versatile tool for arts and crafts or a small-scale production system.